To grow ivy from cuttings, select a young shoot on an established plant in late summer or early fall. Choose a stem that is about 6 inches, 15 centimeters long, and make sure there are 3 to 4 leaf nodes on the stem. Cut straight across the stem with disinfected garden shears. Wrap a damp paper towel around the cut end of the stem and place the whole thing in a plastic bag to help maintain moisture. Next, fill an 8-inch, 20 centimeter pot with potting soil to 1/2 inch, 1.3 centimeters below the top of the pot, and run water into the pot until it runs out the drainage holes at the bottom. Use the eraser end of a pencil to poke a hole in the soil that's about 3 inches, 7.6 centimeters deep. If you're planting several cuttings, make a series of holes around the edge of the pot, spaced about 2 inches, 5.1 centimeters apart. With clean shears, trim 1/2 inch, 1.3 centimeters off of the end of each cutting, and trim away any leaves that are within 3 inches, 7.6 centimeters of the end of the stem. Dip the cut ends in rooting hormone, then slide each cutting into the holes you made in the soil. If the cuttings can't stay upright on their own, stabilize them with stakes. Water the soil again until you see water coming out of the drainage holes. Keep the pot in a warm, bright location out of direct sunlight, and water the soil anytime it starts to dry out. Remove any cuttings that have turned yellow or wilted. It should take 1 to 2 months for the cuttings to take root. Once they do, repot them or plant them in the ground when you notice new growth.